Hello, welcome to this Checkmating 3 chess puzzle. This one was created by H. Meyer in 1876. See, we've got this weird L shape. Black just has the king, the knight, and the bishop. White has the king, pair of rooks, bishop, knight, and the queen. It's White's turn. Can you see the Checkmating 3? Taking the bishop with the king is only a checkmate in 4. After the king moves to b2, you can check with the queen. The king then moves to a2, you can then mate in 4 by pinning the king to the side. There's another checkmate in 4 but not 3 by checking with the knight. You end up with the same checkmate pattern with the king being pinned to the side by the queen. So that's just a mate in 4. Taking the bishop with the rook is another checkmate in 4. The king moves to b2, the queen moves to b5, but actually the king can move back to c3 to avoid the same mating pattern, but then just gets mated in 4 but not 3 anyway. Moving the queen to b5 is quite a nice checkmate in 4. If black moves the bishop to d3, you can then check with the knight to e4 move, sacking it because it can be taken by the bishop. And rook to c4 checks the king, allowing the other rook to be taken. Then you can move the queen in to g5 to checkmate in 4. Let's take a look at the solution to this checkmate in 3. So pause the video if you need some more time. You actually need to move the queen to f6. If black blocks with the knight, you can then move your knight to d3, doing a reveal check. The king moves to d4, you can then move the queen to e5 to checkmate in 3. The king moves to b4, you can then check the king by moving the knight to a6. If the king moves to a3, you can checkmate in 3 by moving the queen to a1. The king tries to move to b5, you can then move the rook to d5 to checkmate in 3. If the king moves to d2, you can actually sack the queen by moving it to b2 because it gets taken by the knight. And then you can checkmate in 3 by moving the knight to b3. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.